Unlock stunning portraits and capture perfectly lit scenes by mastering your Nikon D850's external flash. First, ensure your external flash, securely attached to the D850's hot shoe mount, gently slide it in until it clicks into place, making sure the metal contacts on both the camera and the flash are aligned. Now, let's dive into your camera settings. Navigate to the Flash Mode menu. For most situations, Auto FP High Speed Sync, or simply Auto FP, is your go-to setting. This allows your flash to sync with shutter speeds faster than the camera's native sync speed, which is incredibly useful for freezing motion or controlling ambient light in bright conditions. Next, we'll adjust flash compensation. This is crucial for fine-tuning the flash output. If your subject is too dark, increase the compensation value, like +03 or +07. If it's too bright, decrease it. Using the flash directly on camera can sometimes result in flat, unappealing light. For a softer, more flattering light, try bouncing your flash. Tilt the flash head upwards to bounce the light off a ceiling or a nearby wall. This diffuses the light, creating a more natural and pleasing illumination on your subject. Experiment with the angle of the flash head to see how it affects the light. Many external flashes also allow you to control their power output manually, while Auto Mode is convenient. Manual control gives you precise command over the light intensity. Start with the flash at a lower power, like 1/16 or 1/32, and adjust as needed based on your exposure. For even more advanced control and beautiful creative effects, consider using a reflector or a diffuser. Reflector can bounce the flashlight back onto your subject to fill in shadows and add catchlights to the eyes, while a diffuser can soften the light even further for a studio-like quality. With these settings and techniques, your Nikon D850 and external flash are ready to help you create professional photographs with beautifully controlled lighting.